Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Bronx is here. Oh, Josie's here too. Okay, we're fine. Today we're going to be opening up our Birchbox for October 2019. Here it is right here. This box is $15 a month. You get 5 skincare, hair care, beauty samples. Sometimes 6. You get beauty samples in here. I think you get to pick one item. I did not get to pick one item this month. Sometimes you get to pick one item. I'm not sure. Anyways, let's just go ahead and see what's in here. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the samples in here, getting the value on them to find out whether we're getting a good deal or not. Okay, let's just see what we have. True story, I just got done filming a bunch of videos. I took out my contacts, I had my glasses on, and then my doorbell rang and this was sitting out there. My gosh dang it. I don't want to put my contacts back in. If I wear my glasses, there's like a huge glare. I can show you. You see that? So I'm just going blind. I can't really see anything. Like I can see close up, but I can't see what's going on in the viewfinder. So let's hope this turns out okay. I hate these boxes, are so difficult to open. All right. Don't eat the cardboard, sir, please. Okay, sorry about that. Bronx wanted to eat the cardboard. Okay, so the box this month, super cute. Love that so much. I really enjoy their boxes. I keep them all. I think they're just super cute, and I don't know why. Like, they didn't say Birchbox on the front. It'd be even cuter because then I could, like, put, I don't know. But yeah, really cute. This one's definitely a Halloween themed, so let's see. Oh, the card is really cute too. Okay, so it says trick or treat. It tells you like the purpose of each part of your skin routine. And it tells you like the order. Interesting. There's that. Okay, and then on the back here, it's gonna have everything we're getting in here, as well as the full size values. Okay, so the first thing I have right up front is from NatureLab, which I'm pretty sure is cruelty free. This is the High Dive Moisture Shine Cream for your hair, I believe. Yeah, so work through towel dried hair and air dry or blow dry. Let's go ahead and see what it smells like. Oh, it happens like every time. It's like pressurized from being in the mail and then it just explodes. It smells really nice. I guess we're just gonna put it in my hair because now it's gooped all over the place. I like using this kind of stuff too for like flyaways. But yeah, it smells really good. Really, really enjoy the scent. Yeah, and the full size of that is $29, so a little bit expensive. Okay, so the next thing I have is from NatureLab Tokyo, which is cruelty free. I just got something from them last month. Was it in this box? I can't remember. But it was like the shampoo and conditioner for this same little hair care line. So this is the Perfect Shine Oil Mist, color and heat protectant. This stuff always smells really clean. I really like it, and that's a pretty decent sample size, so I definitely will give that a try. The full size of that is 16 bucks. So, I mean, middle of the road, I'd say. Okay, the next thing I have is from Comfort Zone, which I'm pretty sure is cruelty free. This is the Hydramemory Cream Gel. So it's got hyaluronic acid and moringa oil, which helps with hydration. Oh gosh, these safety seals. Stuff. I feel like I'm just wasting product because stuff just flies out. Here's the packaging in case I didn't show that. I can't even tell. Okay, so it smells just like a little bit like SPF, honestly. But it smells okay. Like, I don't know. It's got like a hint of SPF. I don't know. I do like the way it smells. I definitely will use that. I use hyaluronic acid every day, so I'm excited to find a cream that has it in it. Okay, the next thing I have is from Specific Beauty, which is not a brand I've ever heard of or tried. Let's see. This is Intensive Skin Brightening Serum. So this concentrated dermatologist formulated serum even skins, brightens and smooths the look of lines, and calms due to the presence of retinol. Do not use while pregnant. Okay, so this is something that's going to help with like wrinkles and things. Retinol can be scary, so make sure if you're ever starting to use retinol that you like just look at like what you're not supposed to do with it, because I think you're like not supposed to go in the sun or I don't know. There's like things with retinol, but this is like a nice little pump. I'm not gonna go like put this on my skin because it's like really for your face, and I don't need, well, maybe I do need wrinkle care on my hands, but yeah. So I will look into this to see whether they're cruelty free, and if so, I will give it a try. Okay, the next thing I have is from Arrow, which is cruelty free. This is the Revitalize Under Eye Brightening Serum. So there's that. It's like just the tiniest little sample. Interesting. It says light medium. Now I wasn't going to open it, and now I have to open it. Why does this have a shade on it? Oh, I bet it's like a concealer. And that's the thing that stinks, man. Look, all this that just came out of my hand. These stupid safety seals. I mean, I get why they're on there, but lost half this product just by taking the safety seal off, but whatever. So yeah, it's just a concealer. There's like a crap ton on my hand, so okay, well, I got that. I'm kind of irritated. It's not their fault. It's just how it is. So the full size of that is $18. So I don't know, why is it colored? So it's made with ginseng and caffeine. A deep puff soothes and provides coverage to conceal and brighten your eyes. Definitely will try it. I wish I didn't have makeup on right now. I would just try it now, but okay. And then the last thing I have is from ModelCo, which is cruelty free. This is in the color Creme de Nude. There it is. It's just a liquid lip. I want to say it's going to be matte. The full size is $20, so it's a full coverage pinky neutral lip gloss. Dries quickly into a matte finish. Okay, we'll go ahead and give it a swatch on my non-concealer hand. Oh, I like the color a lot. So there it is on my hand. Very pretty. Definitely a color I like, so I definitely will use that. But yeah, so that's everything. Kind of irritated. Look at all the concealer I have in my hand just from that thing exploding. Again, like I said, it's not Birchbox's fault. It's just stupid that safety seals are safe and then they cause stuff to just explode out of them. Anyways, that's all I have for today's video. I actually liked this box a lot despite like that. A lot of good stuff in there, so I'm excited to give everything a try. Just gotta look into that one product. What was it? This one, the Specific Beauty. Just have to look into that. So overall, nice mix of hair, skin, makeup, that sort of deal. A little more skin heavy, which I'm not mad about. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts right down there. So let me know. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.